was awesome.
Dude, Rise of the Apes is the best movie I ever seen in my life, dude. I'm going to see it tomorrow. The day after that, man, we got to go again, man.
Man, when the gorillas got mad, that was great.
Man, did you...
I am Caesar.
Dude, that was hot. Yo, hey. You gonna step on my foot like that, dude?
Excuse me?
You gonna step on my foot like that?
Why don't you watch where the fuck you're standing at, bro?
Hey, listen, dude, listen. I ain't trying to disrespect you, but you disrespecting me now, man.
Get out of my face.
You gonna hit my head?
That's right.
You gonna disrespect me like that?
That's what I just did.
What the fuck? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Justin, calm down. Calm down, Justin. It's me, Ortiz, your friend. It's me, Ortiz, your friend. Remember fifth grade? Remember fifth grade? Last class, you know? Justin, come on back, Justin. Come on back, Justin. Justin, I don't know what just happened, but you just went ape shit. You know what? I hate to say this, but you even kind of look a little bit like a gorilla. You know?
Me too. Oh.